Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga C940. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga C940 cannot hold a charge and dies within minutes, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a degraded battery, which can happen over time with regular use. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, potentially affecting other components of your device. To resolve this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the Lenovo Yoga C940. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. To open the laptop safely, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry apart the back cover, starting from one of the corners and working your way around. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the cover in place. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery, which will be a large rectangular component connected to the motherboard. You might notice that it's held in place by several screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place as you will need them for the new battery. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard, being cautious not to pull on any nearby cables. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery out, place the new battery in the same position. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's secure. Then, replace the screws to hold the battery in place. Before reattaching the back cover, I recommend double-checking that everything is connected properly. Once everything is secure, gently press the back cover back onto the device until it clicks into place. Now, power on your Lenovo Yoga C940 and check whether the battery holds a charge properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging it and then letting it drain completely every couple of months. Additionally, avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures, which can adversely affect battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.